Up next is a brand new model just imported from Precision Scale Corporation. This is one of the ones that we've been waiting on for just a little bit, but it's well worth the wait. These beauties are the Lehigh Valley. It is item number 18412-1 from Precision Scale. This is the K-6S 462 Black Diamond. As you can see, it's painted in lettered black and red with white striping. This particular model is road number 2089. Some of the nice features that's included on the model are a Swiss can motor, bow rim precision gearbox and drive. It has sprung drivers and trailing truck. Many lighting features such as lighted number boards, lighted cab interior, also simulated wood cab floor, as well as cab curtains and full frame detail. Also has a lighted headlight and lighted backup light. And of course this model comes with the display feature which allows the model to be operated while sitting on a track and have the lights fully illuminated. So nice little effect there. But let's go ahead and we're going to put it in motion and we're going to see how it runs. And we'll slow it down just a bit for you there. And there you have it, the beautiful Lehigh Valley Black Diamond, just imported from Precision Scale.